Have you ever looked into a mirror? The image you see looks just like you, but flipped. In math, we can create mirror images too, by reflecting shapes on a coordinate plane. A reflection flips a shape across a line, creating a perfect mirror image. Today, let's reflect a quadrilateral across the x-axis and explore how reflections work. Let's start by placing 4 points on a coordinate plane. We'll connect them to form a quadrilateral. These points are A, B, C, and D. When reflecting a shape across the x-axis, the rule is simple. The x-coordinates stay the same. The y-coordinates switch signs. So if a point is at 3, 4, its reflection moves to 3, minus 4. If another is at -2, 5, its reflection appears at -2, minus 5. Now, let's apply this rule to our quadrilateral. We find the new points A, B, C, and D by flipping the y values. Look at the transformation. The new shape is an exact mirror image, just flipped across the x-axis. What if we reflect the same quadrilateral across the y-axis instead? This time, we flip the x-coordinates instead of the y-coordinates. That means a point at 3, 4 moves to -3, 4, and -2, 5 moves to 2, 5. Let's see what happens when we reflect the entire shape across the y-axis. Reflections help us understand symmetry and transformations in geometry. Whether across the x-axis or the y-axis, reflections create mirror images by flipping coordinates. In the next lesson, we'll explore even more reflections, like flipping across slanted lines.